Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of solo tenants node in Google Cloud Platform. I'll explain more details about in which scenario cases can you use solo tenants node in Google Cloud Platform. Apart from this, I'll explain more details about what are the benefits of solo tenant nodes in Google Cloud Platform so that you can easily understand it. Let's get started. As you can see here, what is solo tenant nodes in Google Compute Engine? Solo tenants nodes provides exclusive access to a physical server. When you create a VM on a solo tenant nodes, it's the only VM running on the specific physical server. This means you have all resources of that server dedicated to your workload. Solo tenants nodes also allow you to use your existing software license on the cloud. Solo tenants nodes provides exclusive access to a physical server. This is crucial for workload that need to run on dedicated hardware for compliance, licensing and security reasons. They allow you to use your existing software license on the cloud. They also allow available in environments with a specific security requirements. Guys, I hope so now you can understand what is the solo tenants nodes, in which scenario cases the solo tenants nodes are used in Google Compute Engine. As you can see here, the solo tenants nodes are used in the scenarios where the strict isolation and dedicated resource are crucial. They provide exclusive access to a physical server, making them suitable for the following use cases like compliances and regulatory requirement, software licensing, security and isolation, high performance workload, application with custom resource requirement. Guys, as you can see here, industries with a stringent compliances standard such as healthcare, finance, government may require the dedicated hardware to meet the regulatory obligation. Guys, if you have a existing software license that are bound to a physical hardware, using a solo tenant nodes allows you to bring your own license to the cloud. Application with security requirements or those handling sensitive data may benefit from the additional isolation provided by solo tenants node. Workloads that demand consistent and predictable performance may benefit from the dedicated resources offered by solo tenant nodes. Application with custom requirement. Some specialized application may have unique resource requirement that can be best meet with the dedicated physical server. Guys, I hope so now you understand in which scenario cases the solo tenants nodes are benefit for you. As you can see here, some of the benefits of using the solo tenant nodes in Google Compute Engine like strict isolation, license mobility, compliance and security, predictable performance, custom resource allocation and more. Guys, solo tenants nodes provide exclusive access to a physical server. This ensures that your workload is completely isolated from other users, which is crucial for compliance, security and regulatory requirements. You can use your existing software license that are bound to a physical hardware. This can result in a significant cost saving, especially for application with specific licensing model. Industry with stringent compliance requirements such as healthcare, finance and more benefits from solo tenants node as they are provided a dedicated and isolated environment that meets regulatory obligation. The Sole-tenant nodes allow you to allocate resources to match the specific needs of your workload. This is particularly useful for the application with unique resource requirement. By using multiple Sole-tenants node in a high available configuration, you can ensure that your applications remains accessible even in the event of hardware failure. That is the benefit, guys. Data residency and compliances. Some industry have strict requirement about where data can be stored. Sole-tenants node can ensure that your data reside or dedicated hardware within a specific region. I hope so, guys. Now you can understand what are the benefits for using Sole-tenant nodes in Google Cloud platform. Thank you and have a great day.